Got the fireplace turned around so I can work on it a bit. You hear that? Hey Jake, do you want some chocolate milk?
Yeah, totally.
Totally? All right. I gotta keep little boys happy, otherwise they won't go camping with me.
That's my bedtime sippy cup.
Good, try that out. Is that good? Icy cold chocolate. We got some meatballs. You want a meatball? All right, Jake, you want me to put you up in the hammock? All right, Jake, where are you? Oh, there you are.
I got my own flashlight.
Are you warm in there?
Yeah.
I got Jacob up in the hammock. We got dinner in our belly, so we're just hanging out and talking and enjoying an evening. Well, since you're awake, do you want to eat s'mores?